Begin by adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1/4 cup of broth. And if you prefer that a little creamier, then you can add the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to 1/4 cup of milk. And then just get that all mixed in well. Have your saucepan already heating up on pretty high heat. And then that just enables you to get this done really quickly. So mix the cornstarch and the broth very, very well. Get it all dissolved. And then you're going to go ahead and just set that aside for just a minute. Add 2 cups of the broth into your saucepan. And you'll get a little bit of a sizzle there as the pan's already heating up. Then you can go ahead and add in your mixture, your slurry of the broth and the cornstarch. And just mix that very well. Whisk it or use a spoon, whatever you have on hand. And you're going to want to mix this really well for the first minute just to get everything dissolved well. And then it's only going to take about 3 minutes to finish this gravy. So just stir it, keep an eye on it, and it will begin to boil. And as it begins to boil, it will thicken. And that's what you want. And when it's thickened up, then you can just turn the heat off, and it's ready to serve. I do recommend you wait until the gravy is finished cooking before you add any salt, because most broth does already have salt in it. So you're going to want to taste this first and then add salt and pepper to taste. Now, if you don't have cornstarch, that's not a problem. Just use flour instead, following the exact same instructions as the cornstarch. This is the quickest, easiest method for making gravy that I know of. So give it a try. And thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you next time.